Hi, my YouTube family. This is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today, we're going to have a wonderful time together. If you're doing happily today, I'm going to do a little bit of my haul of what I bought. Now, this called Hakka noodles, and this is I got it from a store, and this is for you can have it like lunch or dinner. And this is also Hakka noodles. I got two Hakka noodles. And these are the samosas I got. So I got about 10 of these. So I got this for some gift. So these are some samosas. I got it, and they were like $12, and I think there's about 15. Let's see how many in there. I think there's about 15 or 25 in there. And whenever you want to serve them, you just heat it up in your oven. So you put it in the oven, heat up the oven 350-degree, and just bake it for 10 or 20 minutes until they are really crisp. And just enjoy the samosas. Make your own chutney, or you can buy it. Also, I'm just gonna make my own chutney with cilantro. So I have some eggs and cereal. So I got some puffed rice. This is like a cereal, puffed rice cereal. Two bags of this puffed rice. They're like, I like them, they're very good. And I have some white bread. I don't take the wheat, I like the white one. And some garlic. So I have some peanuts. I got this dry roasted unsalted peanuts. And I have 4 bunches of cilantro leaves. I'm gonna make chutney to eat with those samosas. And this is ghee. Ghee actually really good, and ghee actually helps your body get rid of many things. One of them is indigestion, but make sure to eat the ghee on empty stomach first thing in the morning. So introduce the body first thing in the morning with fat. And now I have this pumpkin. I got this pumpkin, cut pumpkins, 3 of them, and I have some red potatoes, and I have a pancake mix. So I have some, this is South Indian Delight. This is some crunchy snack, just like chips. And then some bananas. They still look green, but they will turn yellow soon. And I get this spicy brown mustard for the bread. And I have this is guava. This was huge, so I got that. And this is amchur powder to make my bitter melon. I add this one at the end so it gives a little soury punch. And I got a big garam masala powder package. And then this is my most favorite asafoetida. I added on everything. And this is my sweet potatoes. So I got 3 bags of that. And my ginger dips. This is some chips I got for the party. I have some cabbages, 4 of these. And then I have this rice, Mediterranean rice. It's cooked rice, just heat up and spice it up a little bit if you want. I need this lemon. And this is new kind of vegan garden vegetable pizza, which I got for a friend, and she likes some varieties of food when she comes to visit. Sometimes she eats my Indian food, sometimes she likes different varieties. So I got this pizza, just plain cheese pizza, and I got this. Usually I don't get this thing so much because sometimes if friends comes and they eat it, that's fine. Otherwise it just sits in the fridge. I don't eat this. So I basically live on veggies and fruits. So I got this Dr. Teal's Pure Epsom Salt Soaking Solution for soaking the body. It's really good for any kinds of pain, and also we need the magnesium daily to feel really calm. This is also South Indian Delight. It's called Morocco. A lot of people fry these things in home, but I just buy it. It's much easier that way. And this mandarin. I got 2 bags of that. And I got lots of eggplant. There's a big eggplant. I'm big on eggplant. So that. I got 2 cucumbers. I have some red onion here. This red onion, about 10-pound bag. Got this one about $7. It was a good bargain. I like the red onion over the yellow ones. The red ones really tasty. And I have some cashew. I tried this one last time and it was really tasty, so I got this one again. And this big calcium. This is, I believe, is 3 pounds. And this was like $20. And then I have some green squash and my favorite bitter melon. And then I'm going to try out some new, which usually I get it for gas, like sometimes people show up. And then so this is Bombay biryani. So I got 4 packages of this. I think these were like $2.49 each. And then I have some paneer makhani, and I have some Hyderabadi biryani. And these are really good for lunch as well. If you're taking it to your work, you can use as a lunch. And this makes a good lunch too, or breakfast. If you didn't eat breakfast in home, you just carry somewhere so you can have a quick bite. All you need to do is open and pop it in the microwave, and it's done in like 2 minutes. So it's a good something you can take it with you. Even if you are going to Airbnb and you don't have any food, you can take these, and they always have microwave, and just have some paper plate and spoon, fork, and it's just easy meals, not so much, within $5. So I got some more things I'll show you. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.